Hello, my dear students. How are you? You will find, my dear students. This is your class 10 questions, and this is your hiring terminate and non-terminate decimal expansions find here. Okay, my dear students. And from chapter 1 to exercise 1.4, and this is questions. First of third questions is your 64 and 455. Okay, my dear students. You know, I teach you previous questions. If rational number is include of the form p upon q and q is include 2 to the power n into 5 to the power m, so this rational number is your terminate. Okay, my dear student, terminate decimal expansions, but q is not concluded in this form, so this is your rational numbers non-terminate decimal expansions. Okay, my dear students, I teach you previous questions. Okay, my dear students. So now do process, apply here. 64 LCM process. LCM process is your 64. 64 2 3 is 6, 2 2 is 4, 2 1 is 2, 6 is 12, 2 8 is 16, 2 4 is 8, 2 2 is 4, and 2 2 is 4, 2 1 is 2. Okay, my dear students. So now see at here, my dear students, 2 is repeat 6 times, 2 is repeat 6 times, form of factors. Okay, my dear students, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 2 is make your of the form in power 2 to the power 6, and 45 has in process. Apply here. 455, 5 9 is 45, 5 1 is 5. Okay, my dear student, 91 is divisible by 7, 7 1 is 7, remains 2, 2 and 1 meet, you get 21, 7 3 is 21, and 13 is itself divisible. Okay, my dear student. So now 5 into 7 into 13. I teach you previous questions, my dear student. I let you 2 to the power 6 is your P, and 5 into 7 into 3 is your Q. Now see it here. What's include form of Q in 2 to the power n into 5 to the power m? No. Here q is not include 2 to the power n into 5 to the power m. Okay, my dear students, 2 is not comes here. Okay, my dear students, only 5 comes here, but 5 has no any power. Okay, my dear. So my dear students, this fraction is not terminate fractions, and this is your non terminate this is your non-terminate decimal expansion. Okay, my dear students, expansions only one times recovering again. Okay, my dear students, only one times recovering again. Okay, my dear students, if p upon q let you, p upon q is your rational numbers, but here find to be what is saying deciding terminate and non-terminate decimal expressions, find here it. Okay, my dear students. So now which numbers include of the form p upon q, but q is not equal 0, that is called rational numbers. Okay, my dear students, but rational numbers to find form of terminate and non-terminate decimal expansions. So I teach you previous questions. P upon q is your rational numbers, but q is include form of the 2 to the power n, 5 to the power m. So now this is your called terminate decimal expansions, but q is not include 2 to the power n into 5 to the power m. So this is your non-terminate decimal expansions, but once times recovering again. Okay, my dear students. But or I say one times recurring here again. So 2 to the power 6 is your q. 2 to the power 6 is your q. Sorry, p. 2 to the power 6 is your p, and 5 into 7 into 13 is your q. But q is not include form of 2 to the power n into 5 to the power m. 5 is made you, but not has in power, and 2 is not comes here. Here comes only 7 into 13. So therefore this is your non-terminated decimal expansions. Once again recurring. Okay, my dear students, once again recurring. This is your answer. But extra words not right. Need here, my dear students, only one non-terminating decimal expansions right you. Okay, my dear students. So this is your answer. Thank you, my dear students.